Now today we have a C shampoo. Whenever I do a C shampoo, it literally takes 45 to an hour. Whenever I speed up, it takes 35 minutes to 40 minutes. I do it pretty quick and it's not too difficult. Although you do got to take in consideration that the condition of the seats, how old the vehicle is, when's the last time they got C shampooed, or when's the last time the car got detailed? Because whenever you get there and you charge them a base price throughout all customers, you get there and it's fucking disgusting and you got to spend like 3 hours doing it, and you don't want to tell the customer, hey, it's gonna be more, but you have to as a business because you're spending your time with one customer when you're already wasting time, and you're losing time with the next customer because you have bookings throughout the day. You have to take that in consideration. I'm in Houston, Texas, so it's extremely hot here. It's very humid. On summer days, it gets up to like 98, bro. No cap, like 98. And whenever August comes, it's like 80 something, bro. So I have to keep hydrated. I have to, keep wiping the sweat off my face. I know it's to cool me off, but it bothers me, so I keep drinking water. And I keep moving because if I stop and take breaks, it's gonna take me longer, and ultimately I don't get paid hourly. I'm trying to get like $60 an hour. I'm not gonna get paid that if I take my time. So I try to pace myself. And those that don't know, I have been doing detailing for the past 2 years. Now I know some people might have been doing it for 10, 8, 7, 5, more than me, but honestly, that doesn't matter because detailing isn't rocket science. It's not some chemical you whip up in a science lab and hope for it to be a success after trial and error. Detailing is very simple. It's straight to the point. Don't think about it too much. It's just detailing. It's not too difficult. Anybody can do it. But also, there's a lot of new detailers that get into the business and drop their prices so low, man. They have them so fucking dirt cheap that it affects us, and it makes it seem like other detailers will do the same thing for that price and cheap because they're new in the market and they want to drop the prices so low. But I did that at first, but literally like the first month I did that, I was like, fuck this. And I went out and people started booking me regardless of my prices, and they want quality. So yeah, man, just enjoy this video and I hope this helps you out and improves your business. Now this customer is a repeat customer. I've done business with this customer. She actually booked me the first time via social media. I had ads running and she went to my website and she booked it automatically. I was literally asleep when she booked this. So literally, I guess you could say I was making money asleep because she has to pay a deposit. But of course, we don't get the full amount until we get there, do the job, and make sure everything is up to par. I have a standard whenever it comes to my business. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not entirely passionate about detailing vehicles, especially because I hate the heat. I really hate the heat, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm a senior at the University of Houston main campus. I'm going to school for supply chain management. So whenever I start school, I'll have this business running and I'll make sure it's up to par. I know I'm not fully invested as far as, being passionate about it, but I do make sure my work is the best that I can do. I don't short my customer not one bit. You know, I make sure the work is the same throughout every customer. You know, that's what I try to do. Just like whenever you go to Chick-fil-A, you get a chicken sandwich and it's the same every time you get it. That's how I want to have my business. So whenever I start working, I have an extra income bringing me money. Of course, that's a bunch of businesses, but for now, I'm not complaining. You know, it's the heat's the only thing. You know, the labor's not too bad. You know, I get paid like $250 for 3-4 hours of my work. That's not bad. You know, so you know that's one thing that I like. And yeah, guys, repeat customer, running ads, targeted ads, not just random ass ads. Because if you ran random ass ads, you're gonna end up advertising in Oklahoma and you're in fucking Texas. So just be sure you don't spend too much money on ads. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go.